Hi there, students. A cabal. A countable noun. Okay, a cabal is a small group of people who plot or plan to take action, particularly in the political field. So, conspiracy theorists are convinced that there are cabals doing all sorts of illegal or immoral things. They're plotting together. The senator was assassinated by a cabal of foreign powers. Okay, so a cabal, a secret clique, a faction. Yeah, a group of people who are plotting to do something. Yeah. Yes, there was a cabal of MPs who were trying to oust the Prime Minister, to push out. Yeah. Um, People very often say that the Masons are a cabal who have their own objectives within society. Okay, so a cabal, it's a group of conspirators, a group of plotters with a secret plot or scheme. So I guess Guy Fawkes, as in Guy Fawkes Night, was a member of a cabal to kill the king. Yeah, so a group of conspirators plotting against society or plotting against the status quo. Yeah, you can also actually use a cabal to talk about the plot or the plan itself. Yeah, so this was a cabal to mislead the people. Yeah, but a secret plot, a secret plan. You can actually also even use it as a verb nowadays as well. To cabal, to conspire against, to form a cabal. One little pronunciation note. I, as an RP speaker, would say cabal, R, that long A, whereas you may find many other people say cabal, but for me, cabal. If you want to sound RP, it's definitely got to be a cabal. Okay, so a secret group, members of almost a club, but who are plotting to do something that is maybe illegal or to destroy a person or a concept. Yeah, it's a group of people who they united and they want to promote their private views, their private ideologies, yeah, often by plots or intrigue, and usually this is not known by anyone outside their group. Notice as well, if you use the word cabal, you are this is a critical word. You're saying that it has negative connotations. These people are plotting against the rest of us. Yeah. You're saying they have a secret plot. They are conspiring against the status quo or against society. They're pushing their own private interests, which may or may not coincide with ours, with the interests of everybody. Okay, so this idea of a cabal is a group of people engaged in a plot, yeah, a clique, a coterie, yeah, a a group, a faction, yeah, some sort of group of people, yeah. Yes, I like this example. The left saw this new legislation as a bourgeois cabal, as a plot, as a conspiracy to emasculate the left. Okay, so yes, a cabal, a group of people plotting. Yeah, this is a great word for conspiracy theorists. Yeah, the cabal was foiled by the security services. Yeah. So formality, that's an interesting one. I think I'd probably give it a 6.5 in formality. You might use it in an informal conversation. I think it's at the edge of conceivability. Although you might just use the word a plot or a group that's plotting or something like that, a secret group. Definitely you could use it in a semi-formal conversation, a good word to use, or in your semi-formal and formal writings. The origin is quite good. It comes from French cabal, which comes from medieval Latin Kabbalah, which itself comes from Hebrew Kabbalah, which is Jewish mysticism. Kabbalah, literally reception or something received. I'm sure if we're lucky, we'll have one or two of our Hebrew speakers who are going to comment on the origin of the words. Yeah, this Kabbalah is the interpretation of scriptures. Yeah, and how you accept this scripture. Okay, so it comes from Kabbalah. So a cabal, a secret group plotting, yeah, to do something. They're pushing their own ideas. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A cabal. A cabal.